I've got a surprise for you that Mum and I got. First, who's your favourite race car driver?
Kyle.
Kyle who?
Larson.
Alright. Open that.
I need something to open it with.
Good. Careful.
Yeah. It doesn't want to come out.
Got it?
Yep.
What do you think it is so far?
I feel like it might be like a model of his car. Yeah. Put that in there.
That's it. Everything lift it off.
Whoa! What's this? Oh. Oh, it's the wing. So that would go there.
Go that way or the other way?
I don't know.
His name's on the front. So get it that way. How does it sit on? Like that?
I think so. Whoa! That's cool.
What do we need? Get it out of here.
There is some stuff now.
Oh, we need a screwdriver.
Okay. What kind?
It looks like Phillips head. Alright. We've got the screwdriver now, so we'll get it out of here, eh? Be careful we don't damage it. So what else have you got there?
I got some things here I think might be something that you like pop into the wheels, so then you can't see the hollow part in.
One colour for the wheel.
Yeah. And I've got a little stand here.
There we go.
Here's the wing. Here's the wing.
So the bonnet comes off. See the engine. That's I cleared you out a spot there. You going to put it in?
Yeah. That one there. There we go.